We're continuing with the uh, card questions. We have a hand of bridge in which East has 3 spades given that North and South have a combined 8 spades. Hand of bridge is of 13 cards. Probability that East has 3 spades given that North and South have 3 spades is going to be probability that East has 3 spades plus North and South have 8 spades divided by the probability that North and South have 8 spades. The probability that North and South have 8 spades is 13 choose 8, and 52 minus 13 would be 39. 39 choose 18 divided by the 52 choose 26 because North and South are combined. This is a little bit more complicated. First we'll go with North and South have 8 spades, which is 13 choose 8 and 39 choose 18, and now we're going to have East 5 choose 3 because we already chose 8 spades, so left is 5 and we choose 3 out of them. And how many non-spade cards are left? Non-spade cards left would be, there are total 39 of them, and out of them 18 we have already chosen, so that would be 39 minus 18, that is 21, and out of these 21 we're going to choose 10 because 3 are spades and rest are non-spades, divided by the, for North and South, which is 52 choose 26, and for East it is 26 which are left, choose 13. This whole thing gets divided by this whole thing to get this probability. Second question is, three cards are randomly chosen from 52 cards. Compute the conditional probability that first card selected is a spade given that second and third cards are spades. So while it may look complicated, the thing with this question is that they are taking that the three cards are taken together, so it doesn't matter which is the first card. So you can simply do it by that you have already taken two cards. The probability spade out of the 50 cards would be 11 divided by 50, and that would be your answer. The next question is, two cards are randomly chosen without replacement. So B is the event that both cards are ace. AS is the event that ace of spade is chosen, and A, at least one ace is chosen. So here is a question here. The question is, probability that both cards are ace if ace is one is ace of spade. So what that is probability of B given AS. So we can do it in a complicated way, but we can also just think that probability of both cards being ace, given that one is ace of spade, which means what is the probability that the other card being ace is just there are 3 aces left and 51 cards are left, so that is just going to be 1 out of 17. Now the other question is, what is probability of B given A, which is both are ace given at least one is ace. So how do you determine? So this is basically going to be nothing but probability of B intersection A divided by probability of A. Now probability of both being ace and probability of at least being ace is going to be nothing but probability of B divided by probability of A. So now we have to see what is this, what is probability of B, what is the probability of both card being ace. So this is nothing but 4 out of 52, which will be the first one being an ace, and the second one being an ace will be 3 out of 51. What about this one? 2 card being chosen, and what is the probability that at least one of them is ace? Now that is complicated, but we can do it a different way, which is probability of picking no ace. What is the probability of picking no ace? The probability of picking no ace is going to be that the first time you selected 48 out of 52, and the second you selected 47 out of 51, and then you subtract 1 from it. That will be the probability of picking at least one ace, because this is the probability of picking no ace. So what is the probability of picking at least one ace? That is going to be 1 minus this probability of at least one ace. So then you can do it.